Hey, what's up? It's Greg Luther here with a very important message for you regarding the type of client that you should be attracting right now. I talk to a lot of real estate agents from coast to coast all over the country, and they mistakenly believe they just need clients, whatever clients they can get, move up, move down, whatever. The fact is, you do not want to attract clients that are going to be either high maintenance for you or tough to sell. So many of you know I do a lot in the luxury real estate market. If you go to Amazon, you can buy my book on luxury real estate, literally publish the book on selling your home for more money in that luxury market. But a lot of times agents mistakenly think they need to take listings in that luxury price range. That's certainly not the case. As a matter of fact, you want buyers in the high end, sellers in the low end. So as an example, let's just say in your marketplace, your average is $300,000. If you have a $300,000 seller that's moving up to a $600,000 house as a buyer, you're on the right side of the transaction. Now, if you have a seller that's downsizing, they're selling for $600,000 and moving down to buy for $300,000, you're going to have a very hard time. $600,000 home takes longer to sell. $300,000 home won't take a home sale contingency, particularly on a luxury house. So you've got to make sure that you're attracting the right type of client. Every week we do these webinars where I'm teaching agents how to attract clients, but you've got to know which ones are going to be most profitable for you. If you go to blueprintforclosings.com, you will see our Wednesday webinar that you can register for. You got to show up for it when you register. But I'm going to show you how to attract the right types of prospects. And what you'll find is if you're spending all your time trying to get luxury listings, or you're trying to get buyers in that lower end price range, you're going to have a hard time. If you've got a buyer in that median price range, there's a good chance you're writing offers, there's multiple offers, you can't get accepted. You're on the wrong side of that transaction. So when you do your lead generation, and if you followed me for a while, you know how targeted you can get with very low cost lead generation. If you're doing that, you've got to make sure you're attracting the right types of prospects by utilizing those ad sets. I teach all of that stuff every week. Agents generally come to me because they're doing well, but they'd like to do a little more. Some of my best agents are doing over $500,000 a year in income, and a lot of them started at a very low number, just struggling, just barely getting by. You'll find it's like a light switch. It's turned on or it's turned off. So if you're serious about getting your business up the right way and getting to where you're closing 3, 4, 5 additional transactions every month, it's probably only going to come by you attracting the right type of prospects, because they'll close quickly and ultimately you can make a lot more money that way. If I can help you with that in any way, reach out to us. I'm here to help you out. But speaking of which, by the way, if you are not following our other channels, make sure you're following this page, but you'll want to look at Greg Luther Coaching on YouTube as well as Instagram. Lots of different messages and different trainings for you on all of those platforms, Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. You'll want to follow on each of them. Again, it's at Greg Luther Coaching. I think we have nearly 100 videos on YouTube, including some of our Facebook Lives and several others as well. I'm actually going into the studio next week to create a lot of free content that I'll be giving out to everybody. So make sure you subscribe, follow this page, like this video, and share it with some friends. I think you're going to find that if you get your mind working the right way in real estate, you're going to close a lot more business. So have a profitable week, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye for now. Hey, I hope you enjoyed that video, and listen, we've got a lot more information for you to help you with growing your real estate business. We load new videos nearly every day, and I want you to have access. So you got to do 2 important things. It's both totally free. Number 1, I want you to subscribe to this channel. You'll see the little subscribe button for you to click. If you don't have an account with YouTube, set it up. It's totally free. You got to subscribe to this channel. And the most important factor, you got to ring the bell. Right next to that subscribe button, you'll see a little bell to turn on notifications. That will let you know every time I load a new money-making video to help you with growing your real estate business. Subscribe and make sure you ring the bell. We'll see you in the next video.